Mastering IELTS Writing. Making the most of sample prompts. Hello, aspiring IELTS takers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of IELTS writing. If you've ever wondered how to make the most out of sample writing prompts, then this video is tailor-made for you. Let's unlock the secrets to enhancing your writing skills and boosting your IELTS score. Sample IELTS writing prompts offer a goldmine of opportunities. They 1. Mimic real test conditions. Practicing with these prompts can help you get accustomed to the type of questions you'll face during the actual exam. 2. Boost confidence. The more you practice, the more you realize that you can tackle a wide variety of topics. 3. Improve time management. By timing yourself while you write, you can ensure you complete tasks within the allocated time during the actual exam. The IELTS writing test consists of 2 tasks, and hence, 2 main types of prompts. 1. Task 1. 2. Academic. Interpretation of visual data, like graphs, charts, or tables. 3. General training. Writing a letter, formal, semi-formal, or informal, based on a given situation. 4. Task 2. Both academic and general training. An essay prompt where you present a viewpoint, argument, or problem. By practicing with a variety of these prompts, you'll ensure that no topic catches you off guard on test day. 1. Understand the question. Before you start writing, spend 2 to 3 minutes understanding the prompt. Make sure you answer all parts of the question. 2. Plan your answer. Spend another 2 to 3 minutes outlining your response. Decide on your main ideas and supporting details. 3. Write clearly and cohesively. Now, begin writing. Use a range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. Make sure your ideas flow logically. 4. Review and edit. Always leave a few minutes at the end to check your work for errors and to ensure you've fully addressed the prompt. Once you've penned down your answer, seek feedback. This can be from English teachers, study groups, online forums, or communities. Feedback helps you understand where you stand and what areas need more attention. Remember, constructive criticism is your ally in mastering IELTS writing. There you have it. Using sample IELTS writing prompts is an excellent strategy to prepare for the real deal. Keep practicing, seek feedback, and remember to remain calm and confident. We believe in you, and with the right preparation, you can achieve your desired IELTS score. Happy practicing and see you in the next video.